Really?
Yeah, this thing's just been sitting and it's got bird shit on it and everything else. Yeah, I
That's
take
not
it
bad.
to the track and do track days and stuff. Like I said, I just pulled it out of the driveway. It's been sitting for 2 weeks.
What kind of tune do you got on it?
So this is a '07, and '07 they made it was just a 328, but in '06 they made a 330, and it had a 3-stage intake. So it has the 3-stage intake from a 330 and a tune, an intake and coilovers, 330 brakes, and yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a cool. I mean, it's fun.
Sound good?
I mean, it doesn't really. Yeah, it's all the exhaust is pretty much stock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so no real crazy sound.
Alrighty.
The M3 sounds good.
Does it?
Yeah.
I've never heard one.
Nah, I don't even think.